Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Firearms. My name is Joshua, and today I am going to be doing a video on Krate Tactical steel. I had a good friend who was letting me borrow his steel while he was settling into his new place out of state, and since then he has come and retrieved all of his steel. So I had to resort to buying my own steel. I chose Krate Tactical. We can get this stuff at the shop, but what I'm going to do is just kind of unpackage this and let you see how it comes. I'm expecting it to be raw, actually. Oh yeah, it's raw. So I chose the 18-inch steel targets. That's right around the size that I'm used to, and it is significantly cheaper than the 24-inch steel. Aim small, miss small, baby. But I got 3 of the silhouettes. I'll flip this camera around and some of the other stuff that I got. So I am going to be using reusing some T-posts that I've got, and I will have to get more T-posts. That sound that you hear in the background is Lincoln. He got some airsoft for Christmas. Shooting my one piece of steel. All right, so in this other little box here, I got 8 8-inch gongs. Let's see. I'm gonna pause and get it all set up real quick. All right, so what I got is 3 of the 18-inch silhouette targets, and those 3 targets I'm gonna be using the elephant hangers. This is from Krate Tactical. So I'm gonna be using those T-posts. This will go on the T-post, and the 18-inch silhouette target will hang on that. Awesome. I'll paint those white. I do have some white target paint. All right, so these, what I plan on doing with the, and it's 7 8-inch gongs and 1 4-inch gong. So on one of the 8-inch gongs and a 4-inch gong, what I plan on doing is setting up 2 T-posts and using this apparatus on one side of a T-post, and then using the other one on the other T-post, and having a chain kit so I can have a hanging 4-inch dong at 100 yards and a hanging 8-inch gong. Oh wow, I'm gonna have to re-record that. This is a 2-pack. One of these will go on one side of a T-post, say here, and then the other one will go on a T-post here, and there will be chain coming from each T-post, and a 4-inch gong will be hanging up high, and then an 8-inch gong down low. So 2 of these sets for that, for each one of those gongs. And what I plan on doing with the other 6 8-inch gongs is setting up some sort of a sawhorse with a 2x4 running across, and the rest of the gongs are going to hang on these via chains, but it'll be sort of like a mix and match type thing, I guess, and I'll figure out exactly how I want to get it set up. But for now, I'm going to put those 3 T-posts in the ground and give Lincoln some silhouettes to shoot at. All right. Let's see here. Nice. Awesome. Nice. All right, Lincoln. All right, Lincoln's got what he got for Christmas from Mammy's. It is a Game Face Ripcord M4 airsoft rifle.
You said Mammy's, they do not know who that is. Say Grandma.
This is his Christmas present from his grandma. It is a Game Face Ripcord M4. It shoots 6mm airsoft BBs. It does have flip up front and rear sights. And it is semi-auto and full auto. And he is going to be the first one to test out the Krate Tactical steel. Nice. Shoot the middle one. Very nice. You want to go full auto? Go on the middle one. That is hilarious. Awesome. Are you out? You need to reload, or you want to shoot some more? Very nice. Well, just try to spray it on just the front. Hey, start at the top or the bottom and like get back a little bit. Look, this you do not want. Here, watch me do one. That'll work right there. Make sure it's all white. See, no runs. There you go. It'll all right. We'll shoot it off. All right. Very good. Very good. Now we have targets. I hit a little round one.
Huh?
Hit the round one. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Well, my battery is about to run dead on my phone. I will have to say I am very pleased with these Krate Tactical silhouette targets. Quite pleased. Very, very nice. Very nice indeed. That paint is not wanting to dry very well, as you can see. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in to this video. I appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe for future content. Share this video, and we will catch you in the next one.